God, well, one is stop telling people what they need, give them what they want.
What are your top 3 best pitching tips of all times in a minute or less?
Oh my God. Well, one is stop telling people what they need, give them what they want. Don't pitch to a closed door. Sometimes people pitch way too soon. You're trying to sell people all the time. And I use a thing called relatability factors, that you are the part of your own pitch. Too often people go, hey, I've got this great lipstick. I would say, no, don't ever start there. I would say, you know what? As a woman who's really fallen in love with a man, the coolest thing if you're single is to have luscious lips. All of a sudden you're like, oh yeah, I want that. Well, I've got a product that plumps your lips, tastes like cinnamon, and it's uber kissable. Anybody want it?
I love it. So Forbes, when are you going to pitch me to one of these big Hollywood companies?
What do you want?
Oh, wait, that wasn't on the list.
Tony, you know what? We do get to hang out. We've spent a lot. Guys, if you're still listening to this broadcast right now, I honor your patience. Tony, here's the thing.
It's a classic.
If you tell me what you want, I'll help you go get it.
Yeah.